Hi, I'm Jonathan with Team 239. We are taking you for a tour of Marsilea in beautiful North Naples. Whether you're looking to make a move in 9 days or 90 days, we are here to help. We get calls, texts, and emails from people just like you looking to make a move to sunny Southwest Florida. We're going to take you on a driving tour of Marsilea, and we're also going to show you inside one of the homes that our office has recently listed so you can see what to expect when you purchase inside this community.
Hey there, this is Kristen Van Hookelum
And Jonathan.
with Team 239 in Southwest Florida. Today we're taking you on a tour of Marsilea. Jonathan's going to talk a little more about what we'll be showing you, but make sure you stay to the end for the best kept secret of this neighborhood. is a perfect neighborhood for those who want estate-style homes with that privacy gate. It is also zoned for A-rated schools. zoned for Veterans Memorial Elementary, North Naples Middle, and the best kept secret, this brand new high school opening in August, the 2023-2024 school year. The school currently is named GGG. It doesn't even have a name yet. It's under construction. You can see it behind me. It's built like a fortress. This is a beautiful campus. It's going to have outdoor gardens, walking paths, a beautiful auditorium that'll sit over 1,300 people, football field, baseball field, softball field, soccer field. This school is going to have it all, and we can't wait for it to be completed. The people that are living in Marsilea will be able to take advantage of this brand new high school that is built like no other in Naples.
Thanks for joining us on our tour of Marsilea in North Naples. If you have any questions, click the link below
In this video description. We'll see you next time.